Hi there guys, welcome back to another video. Tom here, Fell's Feast. This week we're going to be making a chicken pasta bake. The chicken is going to be flavoured with a smoky paprika and there's going to be a creamy cheesy sauce in it with no less than 3 different types of cheese. If you like the sound of that, then you're going to want to stick around to the end because this is a firm family favourite. If you're new to the channel, then please do hit the subscribe button. If you've seen my videos before and you haven't yet subscribed, then please do subscribe. It really does mean a lot to me. Before we jump into the cooking, let's just take a look at the ingredients. If you'd like to pause it and take a moment to take a screenshot, then please do. First job, we're going to finely dice an onion. We're going to cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. We're going to put that in a bowl. We're going to add smoked paprika, garlic granules, salt and pepper, and mix. First of all, we're going to start by adding the pasta to boiling salted water. With the pasta, we're also going to add the onion. To make the cheese sauce, we're going to start by melting some butter. Once the butter's melted, we're going to add the flour. Mix that together. Then to make a cheese sauce, we slowly add milk while stirring until we get the right consistency. And now we need to fry the chicken. Turning our attention back to the cheese sauce, bit of salt and pepper. And now most importantly, our 3 cheeses. I've got gruyere cheese, which is a Swedish cheese. I've got parmesan and cheddar. And we mix that in. And once we've drained the pasta, we chuck the pasta and the onions into our cheesy sauce and we mix that round nicely. So all the pasta is coated. Now we put half our pasta and sauce mix in the bottom of a baking dish. And then we add the chicken. And we top that with the remaining pasta. Now I'm going to get a good handful of baby plum tomatoes and I'm going to slice those in half. And we put those on top of the pasta bake. In case you're wondering why I haven't put tomatoes on one end, it's because my children don't like tomatoes. And now we top with cheese. Got a preheated oven at 180 degrees. I'm going to pop that in the oven for about 20 minutes. When it's golden brown like this, I think it's ready. And we serve. This dish was popular with the whole family, even the fussiest of eaters. He doesn't even like chicken. I topped mine with some chopped fresh parsley. Family dinner done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.